Right, started engineering this piece of wood, which has been cunningly cut with a notch at each end, so that it's going to fit thus and thus up against here, so that with a bit of luck this will be a smooth straight edge flush against PVC there. Now obviously there's a lip there, a gap underneath, so the next task is to put a similar slot or groove, take the top bit off here because this bit sticks out, so a little piece off the end of the whole length. It's going to be quite tricky. And you can see what, so that end got a notch in it, same as on the other side, which will fit and accommodate that, but of course there's this bit of wood sticks out all the way along, so at the back of this I've got to take right the way along the whole piece of wood, and back I've got to take out a section of that. I think I can run the circular saw. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfectly straight, this cut, because it's going to be hidden. This is the front surface, so it's the bottom and the front that have got to be nice. If my line goes a little bit waggly, it's not going to be too bad. So quite pleased with that. And another little thing I've got is I borrowed a chop saw from a friend. Note the ear protection, very important, which I use to cut the little pieces off the edges, so that makes nice and easy. It's very easy with that to get a nice straight 90-degree angle, all the rest of it. There we go. Not such a hot day today.